So hello guys again and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are starting learning Python. So let's get started. If you're new to the programming, let's talk about what is coding. Computer programmers or coders are people who write step-by-step instructions that can make a computer perform a task. Coders can get computers to do addition, make music, move a robot across a room, or fly a rocket to the Mars. Computers can do anything of its own accord. It just sits there like a dumb box until told exactly what to do. Because computers can think for themselves and can only do as they are told, coders have to do thinking of them and write the instructions carefully. Programming languages. So, in order to tell a computer what to do, you need to learn a programming language. Visual languages are easy to learn for beginners, while professional coders use text-based languages. So, the Python is one of these text-based languages, and it's also very popular though. So Python is used in Chrome, in Google Engine and YouTube too, and so on. So the Python is very popular and is very needed. So okay, let's get started. And first of all, we need to make new Python file. So so if you have downloaded the Python, I also recommend to download the VS Code, and if you haven't downloaded anything at all, I will have a description for download. So if you have downloaded the VS Code and the Python too, um, let's create our new file, and I will name it sample.py. So what this .py do? This in every file, this dot and the name tells the computer the type of the file. So with this .py, we tell computer that it is a Python file with text or image or PNG or so on. Okay, let's make our sample py file. Okay, in the VS Code we have the terminal that shows us the output from the code. Okay, so in our first file we will output hello world text. So let's get started. So to output text or numbers or something, you need this print function, and here in values object you need this for and hello world, and inserting these quotas the hello world. And when we will run our project, it will output hello world in our console. Okay, so let's make our code more powerful. So in the Python and in other programming languages, we have many data types, but today we will learn two of them. So the string and integer. So the string is word, and when we are putting this word, we need these quarters, and if we will put integers, we need no quarters. So integers are numbers. So if we want to output, for example, 12, we need no quarters, and it will output 12. Okay. So the string needs this hello world, and integer does not. So our code works properly. Okay, now let's learn about variables. So what are the variables? Variables are just like boxes when you can store the value of the variable. So let's make a new variable, name the name, and equals to. So this name, we have made new variable here, name, and we will input its value here, and it will be string. So I will insert the square rows in it and insert fun programming. So what this name does? So this name is box, so it has value to the fun programming. So if we want to print our fun programming, we have two ways to insert here fun programming, or insert here variable name, and it will output fun programming because this name is a variable, and our code thinks that our code knows that it's variable and searches its value here. So the name's value is fun programming, and it prints fun programming too. And when we are using variables, we need no the string quotes here. We need just to put a name of the variable here, and it will print or return our variable value here. Okay, let's make a new variable, age. So the age variable is integer variable, so we will need to put integer here, and age is 12, yes, or I don't know, 30 or something. Okay, let's be 30. And if we want to print age of the person here, we need just to type the variable name, and it will print the variable value here. Okay, let's run it. Found programming at 30. Yes, it's worked here. Okay, the string edition. Now let's make a person whose name is John, I don't know, and John's age is 30. So we need to print text, and it says my name is John and my age is 30. Okay, let's make it print, and if we want to make an addition of the strings, one we should just enter the string in the quarters, and so my name is space and plus and name. So what this will print. So my name is a string, and this print function will edit my name with this name. So it will, yes, it will print my name is John. Um, okay, let's uh, learn about one more function in the Python. So now let's make a real project. If you want to make a project, then when the user will input his or her name in the console, we need input function. So the name will be input, and here you will add the question. So what this input function will ask the user. So what is your name, and space to be better. Okay, and then my name is name. So okay, let's run our function code, and it asks us what is your name, and if my name is John, I will type here John, and when I will run, it will print my name is John. So how it works? The input function asks the user what is his or her name, and then stores in the name variable, and then we're printing this name variable in our print function. So this was our first lesson, and goodbye.